Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to another day of trading the futures market. For those of you who are just joining, my name is TJ, and these videos are created for you to, number one, know that you can actually learn how to trade and be profitable using Apex, and number two, to understand how to trade using Renko charts. It's very possible, folks. You can get good at it. Okay, so today was another really challenging day. This week has been very challenging overall because there's been a lot of Feds speaking, and all of the speeches have been wrapped around a conference called IMF, where they have every federal person from all over the world literally coming together to talk about the economy and to talk about the important things on how to get us out of the rut that we dug ourselves in from 2020. So today was a fairly challenging day. I think it was the most challenging of all three. Today also, because it was really erratic like the other days, I happen to have way more opportunities today than I'm used to having. So today I had about 13 opportunities, which I was able to take advantage of, and about 5 of them were break even, so I'm only going to show one, and then the rest of them actually was either a win or a loss. So we are going to start with Nasdaq. Went in on a Nasdaq trade for a long. This was a trend line play, and I was able to come out with a trailing stop loss gain of 20 points. Check it out. And then I went in on ES. This was for my oscillator indicator play. I went in on a long, and it unfortunately led to a loss. Take a look. And then this will be my first and only break-even play I'm going to show. It was a long on NQ. It was a trend line play. And of course, like I said, it ended up in break-even. Take a look. And then I went in on another Nasdaq play, also for a long. It was also a trend line play, and this one I was actually able to get a trailing stop loss gain for 20 points. This one though was a little crazy because I was only one tick away from hitting my TP, and it reversed and bumped me out, like I said, on 20 points trailing stop loss gain. Check it out. And then I went in on Russell, and I did a short with my oscillator indicator, and it was a loss. And then I did it again, except this time with ES, and I went in on my Renko indicator, and this also ended up with a loss. And then I went in another time, again, the same type of play, ES, a short on the Renko indicator, and it also ended up with the same loss outcome. Check it out. And then this will be essentially 4 losses in a row. This was an NQ trendline short, and it also ended up with a loss. Take a look. And so after those 4 losses, I actually ended up from being in the positive for the day to being in the negative for the day. And thankfully, I was able to go on my final trade, which was a massive 200 tick run, which is 50 points on Nasdaq, using my oscillator indicator for a short mega run. Check it out. And then here's my balance. Because of that final trade, I was able to make all my money back, get me out of the losses, and I was able to end the break-even day. And so usually when it's between -10 and +10 for the day, I just call it break-even. And so that's what happened today. And other days are going to come, but this week has been very challenging, I guess, also with the Iranian drama that's going on in the Middle East. So there's just been a lot of different looks and a lot of different things affecting the market right now. But hopefully by next week, a lot of this stuff will settle down and we can get back to proper trading and the markets will start moving like they actually make sense. So I will talk to you tomorrow. Hopefully it's a much better day, and have a great day. God bless. See you soon.